What if the biggest lie about passive income is not that it is impossible? What if the biggest lie is that it is supposed to be easy? Because right now, millions of people are being sold a dream. Wake up, check your phone. Money has arrived. Go to sleep. Money keeps coming. Travel, relax, spend time with your family. And somewhere in the background, your bank account keeps growing while you do almost nothing. It sounds amazing. And honestly, that is why it works so well as a dream. Because deep down, most people are tired. They are tired of waking up early, tired of bills, tired of feeling like their income depends on showing up every single day, tired of watching prices go up while their paycheck feels like it stays the same. So when someone says, you can make money while you sleep, it touches something emotional. It is not just about money. It is about escape. Escape from stress. Escape from debt. Escape from a job you do not enjoy. Escape from the feeling that your time is always being traded for survival. And that is exactly where the passive income lie begins. Welcome to Capital Academy, where we explain money, investing, wealth building, and financial psychology in a simple way. If you want to understand money better and build a stronger financial future, subscribe to the channel and follow along. Now let's talk about the passive income lie you need to understand. Most people hear the phrase passive income and imagine money that arrives without effort. They picture rental properties, dividends, online businesses, royalties, digital products, or investments sending cash into their account automatically. And yes, passive income is real. People do earn money from assets. People do receive dividends. People do build businesses that continue generating income. People do own properties that pay rent. People do create things once and earn from them for years. But here is the part most beginners do not hear. Passive income is usually not passive at the beginning. It becomes passive later. And that difference changes everything. Imagine you see a tree full of fruit. Someone walks up, picks an apple, and eats it. From the outside, it looks easy. They did not build the tree. They did not create the sunlight. They did not manufacture the rain. They simply took the fruit. But what you did not see was the planting. You did not see the digging, the watering, the waiting, the protection from weeds, the years when there was no fruit at all. Passive income is often like that tree. People love showing the fruit, but they rarely show the farming. This is why so many people get disappointed. They try a passive income idea for 2 weeks, 1 month, maybe 3 months, and when the money does not arrive quickly, they think something is wrong. They think they chose the wrong idea. They think passive income is fake. But often, the real problem is that they expected fruit before planting roots. The internet has made this worse because passive income is often marketed like a shortcut. Do this and earn $500 a day. Build this once and get paid forever. Make money in your sleep with no experience. Those messages are powerful because they speak to the part of your brain that wants relief now. Your brain does not naturally love long-term thinking. It prefers quick rewards. This is why spending money on something exciting feels easier than investing money into something boring. This is why buying a new phone can feel more satisfying than buying an asset. This is why people can spend hours watching videos about passive income, but struggle to spend 1 hour building a real skill. The dream feels good immediately. The work feels uncomfortable immediately. And that is the trap. Many people do not fall in love with passive income. They fall in love with the idea of escaping effort. But real passive income usually requires one of 3 things first: money, skill, or time. Sometimes it requires all 3. If you want investment income, you need money to invest. If you want business income, you need skill to create value. If you want rental income, you need capital, management, and responsibility. If you want royalties or digital products, you need to create something people actually want. If you want dividends, you need to own enough productive assets for the payments to matter. So passive income is not magic money. It is usually the result of active effort that was converted into an asset. That asset might be a portfolio. It might be a business. It might be a property. It might be a book, a course, a tool, a system, or a brand. But the key idea is this: passive income is not income without work. It is income from work you already did, money you already invested, or systems you already built. Think about 2 people. The first person earns money from a job. Every month, they get paid. But every month, they also spend everything. New clothes, subscriptions, upgrades, eating out, lifestyle pressure, and small purchases that feel harmless. At the end of the month, nothing is left. They are active every day, but their money is not building anything behind them. The second person also earns money from a job, but every month, they take a small part of their income and put it toward assets, skills, or systems. Maybe they invest a little. Maybe they build an emergency fund first. Maybe they learn a valuable skill. Maybe they create content, start a small online project, or slowly build a side income. At first, nothing impressive happens. No luxury car, no huge income screenshot, no dramatic transformation. But quietly, something important is happening. Their money and effort are starting to leave something behind. The first person works and spends. The second person works and builds. And after enough time, the difference becomes visible. This is the part most people miss about wealth building. Wealth is not just about how much money you make. It is about whether your money leaves behind something that can help you later. A paycheck disappears when it is spent, but an asset can remain. A skill can remain. A system can remain. A strong habit can remain. And when enough of those things remain, life starts to change. This is why the first few dollars of passive income can feel so powerful. Not because $5 or $10 will make you rich, but because it proves something. It proves that money does not only have to come from your time. It proves that an asset can send money back to you. It proves that your future can be supported by decisions you made in the past. That is a psychological breakthrough. Because most people grow up believing income only comes from labor. You work 1 hour, you get paid for 1 hour. You stop working, the money stops. That model is not wrong. It is how most people begin. But if you stay only in that model forever, your income is always tied to your energy, your time, and your ability to keep showing up. Passive income introduces a different idea. What if some of your money could work too? What if some of your past effort could keep producing? What if every month, instead of starting from zero, you had small financial machines helping you? At first, those machines may be tiny. A small dividend, a small interest payment, a small sale, a small royalty, a small side income stream. But the size is not the first lesson. The first lesson is ownership. Because passive income is usually connected to owning something. You own a share of a company. You own a product. You own a property. You own a system. You own knowledge that can create value. And ownership is one of the biggest differences between staying stuck and building wealth. But here is the warning. Not every passive income opportunity is good. Some are traps wearing expensive clothing. If someone promises huge returns with no risk, be careful. If someone says you do not need skill, effort, patience, or money, be careful. If someone makes the lifestyle look bigger than the business model, be careful. If the only way to make money is by recruiting other people into the same dream, be very careful. Real wealth building can be simple, but it is rarely effortless. And this is where many beginners need to slow down. The goal is not to chase every passive income idea. The goal is to build a financial foundation strong enough to support future income streams. Because if your basic money habits are broken, passive income will not save you. If you spend every dollar you make, you will probably spend every dollar your side income makes. If you cannot manage a paycheck, managing investment income will not magically fix the problem. If you chase fast money, you may ignore slow money that actually works. So before asking, how do I make passive income? A better question is, what am I building that can one day produce value without needing my constant attention? That question changes the game. Because now you are not chasing shortcuts. You are thinking like a builder. You can start with your money habits. Build an emergency fund so one problem does not destroy your progress. Pay attention to debt so your future income is not already promised to your past decisions. Learn how investing works before risking money you cannot afford to lose. Use your income to buy small pieces of assets over time. Develop skills that make you more valuable. Create systems instead of only reacting to bills. None of that sounds as exciting as make money while you sleep, but it is more honest. And honesty is powerful because it protects you from disappointment. Passive income is not a button you press. It is a result you build. It is not the opposite of work. It is what happens when work, money, patience, and ownership are pointed in the right direction for long enough. And maybe that is the real lesson. The lie is not that passive income exists. The lie is that you can skip the building part. Everyone wants the income. Fewer people want the foundation. Everyone wants the fruit. Fewer people want to plant the tree. Everyone wants money to work for them. But first, You have to learn how money works. So the next time you hear someone talk about passive income, do not just ask how much money they make. Ask what asset creates it. Ask what work came before it. Ask what risk is involved. Ask how long it took. Ask whether it is a real system or just a dream being sold to tired people. Because once you understand passive income clearly, it stops being a fantasy. It becomes a strategy, not a quick escape from work, but a long-term path toward more freedom. And the sooner you understand that, the less likely you are to waste years chasing shortcuts. Passive income is not about doing nothing. It is about building something that can keep working when you are not. And that is the truth most people need to understand before they chase the dream.